told Nancy that she doesn't have to guess at what happened. She can watch the tape and see.
The right way, So she's got, she's got that covered. Yeah.
Well, she hired little detective Stephen try to hunt Shepherd, see if there's any bad things about Shepherd when they're trying to get in the office.
Chelsea!
Still off with some sort of a metal plate or
Miss
something.
Chelsea!
Hiding your hair in knots, Chelsea.
I was gonna braid her hair, but I can't get it separated.
She's over by the side of the house by the
Chelsea!
gas meter,
I can't see your face!
knocking the snow off.
I think the next thing is her dancing to Christmas music. You bought some sing-along Christmas cakes for her.
It looks like she enjoys that snow, boy.
She's made a lot of footmarks.
There's footprints all over the yard with her. Yeah. Did they cut that in the summer?
When the little kids are out of town, I do. But they've got this lawnmower
There
that's
she
about as nice as
goes,
my car.
full speed.
Oh, a driver?
Yeah.
That's kind of neat, huh?
It makes it real easy. In fact, when they're going to Michigan, and I'm sure they won't be back, I cruise it up and down State Street here.
Oh, look at her nose is getting red, huh?
My cheeks are getting red too.
Right now, for everyone else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Much to their dismay.
Grandma, brother, need eye contact.
We're still there. What's going on?
As you coming in?
I don't know. I didn't see any. Oh.
I was there with her when we got back.
How come it's out in the snow? Is that true?
Get your picture!
See, you should love this.
We got Mandy in here. Chelsea wanted her in and I was not nice. I taunted her. Look at that Dottie! Look at
Drawing
that!
out too.